Hi guys, this Monday we are launching our new program at CET King. So in case you want to join our program starting from this Monday, you just need to call the numbers given here and my team will be happy to help you out. Or you can attend a demo class. So this Monday at 7 p.m. we have a demo class as well. So in case you want to attend the demo class, you are most welcome. Hi guys, today we look at the three of the most difficult exams, MBA entrance exam in India. Yeah, these exams are not just because of the level of questions, high level of questions which is coming. I'm also comparing on the basis of the number of seats which are there, on the basis of all the other things. So number one on the list without any question mark is going to be the CAT exam. The level of difficulty of the quant section, lot of questions based on modern maths. Yeah, RC, bhar ke RC, 2/3 of the paper is RC. So all these things add to the chaos which creates CAT. And for most of you, CAT is going to the first exam of the year. Okay, DLR में no coin decoding directions and new type of syllabus. So CAT of course is number one. Fine. Mainly because you can't even predict the pattern. Number one is CAT exam. Number two, I was thinking about that. I will put Maharashtra CET as number two as the most difficult exam. Why CET is most difficult? Because number one, we don't have time. CAT, if I look at the old pattern, 3 hours for 100 questions. Here we have 2.5 hours, time कम कर दिया थोड़ा सा and question थोड़ा सा increase कर दिया, small increase to 200 questions, double. While maintaining the level of difficulty same. But here I can predict the pattern. Same typical questions are coming every year, which is a good sign that they are same puzzle, 30 marks puzzle, 30 marks DI. So we know that what kind of puzzles are coming, what kind of DI questions are coming. CAT, we can't predict the pattern. That's the main problem. CET is number two, and people who think CET is to be easy, I'm sorry. DI calculation, bhar ke calculation. Look at our advanced mock, you'll find out that DI calculation, bhar ke aayega. Puzzle, circular arrangement, all these things are time consuming, time wasting. CET paper is otherwise easy, but the most common comment which I've got is paper is lengthy and time consuming. Okay. CAT ka main comment is going to be different. The paper is different, not difficult, but different. And third most difficult exam I would rate is ZAT. Mainly because of the decision making section which have a very ambiguous answers. Like it's very subjective here, so you can't get 100% marks in this. So you lose marks in this because of negative marking. And second main reason, if you do the question correct, you get marks. If you do the question wrong, you get negative marks. If you leave the question blank, even then you get a negative mark. Positive for doing correct, for wrong negative, for leaving the question blank negative mark. Because of this thing, I would rate ZAT as number 3 as the most difficult exam. So CAT, CET, ZAT. This is my list of 3 colleges, 3 exams which I consider to be most difficult. Again, I'm not saying कि cutoff नहीं निकाल सकते. You can clear the cutoff. You don't be topper. You just need to clear the cutoff. That should be a focus on. Okay. Otherwise, other exams which are worth mentioning is IFTK exam. Yeah, IFTK level is quite high, but it couldn't make it to the top 3 ka list. So I want you to have a backup plan. Of course, there's going to be one main exam. For example, CAT is my dream. IIMS is my dream. But what if you're not able to crack? So CET, CMAT, ATMA, MAT, ZAT, whatever the backup exam, I want 2-3 exams. I always say one thing, an Indian student, if you're giving 4 exams, you will crack one of them. Yeah, so I want you to create a backup. All the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments and do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.